I had recently come to Acapulco in the southwest part of Mexico, which is said to be one of the most dangerous places in the world, but so far everything had been fine. I was now about to wake up in a hotel room again, behind the famous hotel zone, and explore this town more.
Hello everybody and welcome to another day here in Acapulco. One of the most dangerous cities in the world is what they say. I survived the first day, so today we're gonna go out for some new adventures. I'm also gonna move from where I was staying. I was staying here in this hotel room. The view is actually pretty nice. You can almost see the beach here, and yesterday I actually had a really great day on the beach, so today will be another great day. But first we're gonna go down to the pool, check that out, and then we're gonna be heading out again and see what we can do in this town.
The weather is actually really perfect today. It's been perfect all the time since I've been here in the southwestern part of Mexico along the coast. So I'm on my way actually up the coast further up north, but I'm gonna spend a few more days here, I think, because it's so nice. The mountains here, really great success. I don't know why this is considered to be one of the most dangerous cities in the world. Yesterday and the other day I was safe. Hopefully I will be safe today again. It was a beautiful morning in the town of Acapulco, and I was on my way up to the top of the hotel, which also was located on the other side of the famous Hotel Emporio, and also right by the beach. Life is just so good when we have sunshine. It's much better. It's been so nice to jump into the pool. I'm also gonna move today actually. Every time I move I feel like I'm on my way into new opportunities and new things in life. So that's really exciting actually. I don't know how many times I moved in my life, but many times. Come along with me and I ease your pain. Alright, let's head out on the street. Hello, so I'm out here now on the street, and this road is really busy here. It's just full of people. There's 4 lanes on each side, 4 lanes going that way and 4 lanes going this way. Look. I had been going up and down this street a lot, and it was really busy every single day. So I'm gonna try to find some breakfast here now. Every once in a while you hear a police car coming, sirens, I could hear it actually from my window last night. Like every 10 minutes there was a new police car with sirens, especially in the night. So I don't know actually what's going on here, but it's said to be one of the most dangerous cities in the world. I'm here now to get some breakfast. I got the chilaquiles again that you might have seen before. It's some kind of nachos with chicken and rice and beans and some kind of hot sauce. It's really good. Chilaquiles. And also horchata is a drink that I drink a lot actually. Some kind of rice based drink. It's a white rice drink. Some kind of a parade here also. So much going on. So many cars honking, and you can see now here's people singing on top of their car. Look. All the cheese is melted on top. Really good. And with the chicken, so much good chicken and cheese. The cheese is... So I'm actually moving today, so we see another hotel also. See what you can get for the money here in Acapulco. Pack my bag and go along the coast here and into the next hotel. The bag is packed and it's time to go again. So come along with me and I ease your pain. But I do have some very bad news. You know this blue plastic container that I make pasta in sometimes? I forgot it on the bus the other day when I came into Acapulco. Very, very sad. I've had it for so long and I was making some really, really good pasta in it. You know, this blue box that I had. But let's go, my friends. It's time to go. Well, let's go. Actually, my bag is a bit too big. I need to throw some stuff away. I could barely close it. I don't know if I bought something or maybe I just packed really bad. It must be maybe, I would guess, 12, 13 kilos now, 25 pounds. I like to keep it around 20 pounds or 10 kilos at the most. So I checked out from here. Now we're gonna go for a 15-minute walk to the next place. Once I get to my new hotel, I will show you that, and then we're gonna head to the beach also. Show you some more on the beach, and in the next video I'm gonna show you the famous cliff divers here that dive from like 130 feet something into the water. I walked again on the main road, but this time away to the taller buildings. I've been walking through town here now for about 15 minutes and I'm almost to the next hotel. Oh, I actually have to go up the hill to get there. So I walked now on every single road here to get to this hotel from the road by the beach, and there was no access to this hotel. I asked somebody, said you have to walk around. There seems to be no access at all to this hotel. I have no clue how to get there actually. Really, really strange. So I found this hotel. It was actually wrong on Google Maps. They showed it in a very wrong place. It's the first time that's ever happened to me actually. So I found a really good deal here actually. Really cheap to stay right by the beach. Hello, I'm here at a really nice place actually tonight. A really good deal that I found.
I had come to one of the tall buildings right by the ocean and also with a private beach. But you will see more of this a bit later in the video.
So here we have the bedroom. Really nice actually. The place has a really incredible view actually, and also a swimming pool right under the balcony. Here is the living room. Here we have the kitchen. And here is the view. We also have a swimming pool here right underneath the balcony, so we are definitely gonna jump from the balcony and into the pool. So I found this deal actually here for $60 US per night. Actually a really good deal compared to all the other places that I saw. It must have been some kind of last minute thing. Here I am now at this incredible place in Acapulco, right by the beach, and I think I'm actually gonna go and swim out to that island that you can see out there, and then we will be doing some pool tricks later today when it's empty here and no people. About to go swimming out to the island that I showed you. So that's where I'm gonna swim to.
I walked down to the private beach from the hotel and I was about to swim out to a small little island that was sticking up in the water. I don't know exactly how far out it was, but it would come to be a really nice little adventure. I started swimming out, but it would come to be actually further than what I first thought. I could see a stingray further down as I was getting closer to the small island. And also a lot of fish coming at me. I had some problems with the sound, but here I said that I had come up to the rock and I was about to look at the view. I realized that I had swam further than what I thought. There was also a little Mexican flag on this island.
I'm gonna do a bit of frying here and then we're heading back into the hotel. Such a good view here, look! It's time to go, my friends. It's time to go!
I swam back again and crossed some really deep areas between the island and the land area. I came up again to this private and empty beach.
I am back. It was not that far of a swim, but still a bit tiring.
I came back and rested a bit by the pool, and then I would be getting ready for some pool tricks.
I came back and I'm thinking about jumping from the balcony, but it's only like 2 or 3 feet deep. So we have to consider not doing it, or maybe we will do some pool tricks. Like 8 people blocking the pool. Pool trick blockers. I can never sit still. What are we gonna do? That's the problem, that's the problem, that's the problem. We have to go and do some pool tricks, but there are still people out there. I was getting ready for the pool tricks, but the people are still there, so we cannot do it. So I got a Coca-Cola instead. Plop. Cheers, everybody. It's much better than beer, actually. Beer makes me get kind of like anxiety. If I drink alcohol, I get anxiety. I also got a little bag of chips. Nom nom. There's nothing better than chips and Coca-Cola and milk and pasta. So I was thinking that I was gonna jump from there and in there. Cheers, everybody. I know I said I was gonna go and explore Acapulco today, but it was so nice to just hang out here. I never really take time to relax, but today I kind of did it, my friends. It's time now for some pool tricks. Pool tricks. Everybody's gone. I think this jump was worth for people to buy a pool trick t-shirt. The pool tricks have been completed for today, but please subscribe to my YouTube channel because tomorrow I'm gonna do a flip from the highest point that you saw earlier, and I also want to get to 100,000 subscribers, so please help me out for more pool tricks. Come along with me and I ease your pain. Come along with me. Oh, it's so nice to have a nice place today. Come along with me and I ease your pain. And I ease your pain. And I ease your pain. It's so nice to be in this nice place, actually. A really big difference for a very, very great success. But let's go eat something. I'm gonna eat something really quick and then head back home, so we're not outside too much in Acapulco.
Here is this road, lots of people.
I'm here at the restaurant now, and people ask me sometimes if I feel lonely, but I don't feel lonely. I have a goal and a mission. 100,000 subscribers is what I need on YouTube. I think we also need to learn how to be happy on our own. We cannot put our happiness into other people. I've said it before, but Albert Einstein said it. If you want to be happy, tie your life to a goal, and not people or things. And I think that's true, because when we tie our life to people, then we will be disappointed eventually. And things also, if we tie our life to things, then life becomes more stressful. Arnold Schwarzenegger also said it. He said we need to have a goal. You can have the best ship or the best cruise ship, but if the captain doesn't know where to go, then we're not gonna end up anywhere. We're just gonna be drifting around. And I think that's true. Like, since I set up this goal for myself, I've been way more happy, I think, actually. We need to have a goal, whether it be lose some weight, get in shape, save some money. We need some kind of goal in life to be happy. It's really good, actually, that I can be happy when I'm sitting here by myself in Mexico without nobody, and I'm feeling really happy, actually. I got fajita de bistec, really good, 130 pesos, $6 US. This is the baked potato and bistec, the meat, and also bell pepper. So bistec fajita, really good. You put it all on the tortilla. Really nice. That was such a good meal. I feel so good. Oh, perfect. I'm going back home now. Hello, I am back home. Before we finish this video, I'm actually gonna do some sprints here, because this hallway is huge. Look, it's so long. We're gonna do some sprints, and then we're gonna try out the bounce in the bed, and that will be it for today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do a flip also from the wall that you saw here earlier out there by the pool. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, buy some pool trick t-shirts, and also please leave this video a thumbs up and post a comment. But now, let's do some sprints. See you next time, my friends. See you next time. Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.